How to activate CIBC Costco MasterCard online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to activate your Costco MasterCard online. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to cibc.com. Once you are on the CIBC homepage, click on the sign on button in the top right corner. Now, enter your user ID and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register to create one. After entering your details, click on sign in button. Once you are logged in, navigate to the card section and find your CIBC Costco MasterCard. Click on the card to open the details. And you can see the option to activate your card. Click on activate. Enter your card number and other required details, then click on submit. And that's it. You will receive a confirmation message once your card is activated and ready to use. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.